Good morning, everybody. It is 3:35 on Saturday, February 19th. And we are going to Disney. So, excuse my voice, not only am I exhausted, but I have like this cold thing going on. So, anyway, Dad is packing the car right now. Everyone else I think is asleep. I think it's just us two up right now, maybe my mom, but everyone else is sleeping. Driving down as per usual, and yeah, it's very, very early. I did my skincare to help me look less dead. My eye is bothering me so bad, so I put eye drops in, but we'll see if that helps. This is the fit this morning. Very cool. This is my little fuzzy. Look how cute it has Mickey on it, because we're going to Disney. I'm so excited. Okay, anyway, I don't know where it's from. I got it for Christmas and I love it, and it's so soft. Black tank top is from Shein. These are from Brandy. I just have white socks on because I'm gonna wear them all day in the car, and then my sneakers because they were pretty chunky to pack and I did not want to do that. So everything else, I have to be careful. I got extensions a couple days ago on Thursday, and like I said, today's Saturday, so pretty cool, right? You know the vibes. Anyway, I just have to be careful because I keep going to touch my hair and I'm like, oh no, that's an extension. Got my stuff downstairs, my blanket and my squishmallow and my one pillow. Yeah, I just have this. I have to get my Dayquil and NyQuil. Yeah, just wait till my phone's at 100. Be in the car.
Tissues?
Yes, perfect. Okay, do we know where we are?
Yeah, we're in, just past Baltimore, Maryland.
Oh, that's where we are. What did you get?
We're about 25 minutes, half an hour away from Washington.
That's what I got.
Just Washington will be in Virginia.
It's
not fantastic.
Why is this? It's being annoying. Okay.
We should be in South Carolina by like 3, 4 o'clock.
Oh, good. Delicious. He's sleeping. Wait, I'm moving the wrong way.
The bars are attacking!
And off we go.
Wait, I just... It's a weird flavor. It's like... It's a sweet, like, spicy, and it doesn't sit right in my nose.
Come over here. Good thing you got a bar. Stop making me sorry.
Good, we found the AirPods. We're in crack. I want that horse. Look at this horse. Look how cute this horse is. I think it's not a squishmallow. Now, like, I don't like soda, but that looks cool. Lollipop?
Oh, that looks so good. Yeah. Look at it. Look at
That does look good. Are you gonna get it?
I want to, but I don't know if I can have it.
We could probably recreate it.
Okay,
I
so...
about the mimosas. If I didn't leave my wallet in the car, I would have ordered one. Alright, what are we looking at?
Alright, we have 3. Let's see what it says.
Now, what does it say?
3, you're just plain dumb.
Okay.
Let's go.
Okay.
There really isn't. It's just...
There is always a system. So you were really dumb. I'm gonna cry. I can't even do anything. My sister failed.
My turn. Four.
So you're the best.
Taylor, you're the same stupidity as that.
I'm playing.
Wait, I need to think.
You can go in the diagonal.
You know.
Or here.
I know, but if I go here, then I just can't do anything else.
Mason's the smartest. And I helped you.
Yeah.
Jesus Christ. How was everyone's Cracker Barrel experience? Mine was good. Back in the car.
Okay.
Back in the car. My lips are so chapped. Brothers.
Oh, brother. Did you find it?
Yeah.
I want this.
Put it out.
You did it.
It's fine. It's fine.
My God, I can't do anything.
What's the matter?
Everything's got. I just toppled on my wire. Being squished. Why do we even need this?
What do you mean?
Your Squishmallow is squishing your wire.
It's not mine.
I love my Squishmallow. I need to get a new one though, actually. They had Squishmallows in Cracker Barrel, and it was a tie-dye turtle. Thank God I left my wallet in the car. I would have bought him.
Thank God.
Thank God.
Thank
the
God
universe was looking
you left
out
your
for me
wallet.
in that moment.
Thank God.
Well, if I brought my wallet into the Cracker Barrel, I would have gotten drunk off of Cracker Barrel mimosas and bought Squishmallows. So actually, next time I'm not leaving my wallet in my car because that sounds like a really fun time. So
How do you,
it's 3:52 and we're in South Carolina.
That's me.
Trying to Bluetooth the car. I have a
Go to
Uconnect.
setup.
Twice?
Go to setup.
That's Mason.
Go to setup.
Go to setup.
Taylor's phone isn't added, that's fine.
Oh yeah, I'm in your car.
Alright, forget it.
Can you just play it?
Oh my God. I want to listen to my music. I don't want to listen to cartoons. I'm a once.
Okay.
Hi, Mom. Say hi. Okay, so it is 6:32, and we stopped for the night in Georgia. So we're just gonna chill here. Haven't gotten too much because I honestly was like asleep for a lot of it, a lot of the car ride today. But how are you feeling so far, Bri?
I am feeling very cozy in this bed with my and now I shall just like lay here until I hear a knock.
Yes. Our mom, Joby, went out to get dinner. We're getting Burger King. Let's see. How are you feeling, May? Post, like, 13-hour in the car. Yeah, felt that.
Naomi got you.
Swamper party!
Do I join it? Join the FaceTime?
Who is that? I don't know who that is. I don't know. Mason's friends.
Oreo. You want one of the Oreos that Naomi bought?
No.
Hey, you want an Oreo?
I'm not sure.
I think this is edible confetti.
Try it. Try it. Why? It's not.
Oh, I could have caught that. Can you have it?
I just wanted to go to bed. Ow, ow, that's my leg. So how is it?
Yeah.
Good? We had a big dinner at Burger King. And then my Star Wars
My dinner
shirt.
wasn't as big.
Yeah, yeah. Mom, we had a little mishap with the Burger King. I learned what a Whopper is. I didn't know.
Hamburger cheeseburger.
Okay, like hello? Like literally hello.
Okay, good night everyone. Say good night to the vlog.
Peace. Peace.
Say goodnight. Good morning, everyone. How'd you sleep, Bray?
Good.
Where are we going today?
Tail. Frying pans.
Disney. I gave Mom my cold, allegedly.
Frying pans. Who knew?
Truth. Oh yeah, this is the second car fit today. This shirt is from Target. I have my Aritzia shorts on and my sneakers. Breakfast haul. We got a cheese burrito. It's not focusing. Okay, yeah. Braden's got Fruit Loops.
Can I just say
regular
that
fruit.
painting looks like something that would be at our house?
It does, kind of. Okay, where are you? Just left our overnight hotel. We stay at the Comfort Inn. Very good.
Yep.
If you see a Comfort Inn,
Definitely recommend it.
stay. We do recommend. So now we're getting
Totally
back.
not an advertisement.
Yeah, not spons. Not an ad. Imagine if they did spons.
If they did sponsor, that would be nice.
That would be
Then
cool.
We would be making cash and they would be making cash.
Yeah. Comfort Inn, if you want to partner with me, say less. Yay! Oh, I did record! Yay!
We're almost at Disney.
And this is the new arch. Look, it's the 50th one.
Yeah. Unlike the McDonald's arch.
Thank you.
Let's go, McDonald's.
Alright, guys.
Yay! We did it! There's Animal Kingdom lunch.
I want to see the Donald one though.
Magic Band. Here, watch out, there's a car coming.
I'm so happy we found that one.
This one's mine, obviously. Magic Band.
Oh, yeah. Look at how cute it is.
Put it on. Here, let me see yours, Bray. Wow. Wow, Magic Band. Here we go. You're so excited. I'm so excited. Oh, is he spinning inside? Hello. Wow. Wow. Look at the giraffe!
It smells so good. Do you smell it?
Yeah, I think because there's a bar or something. Or what.
Actually, it smells so delicious.
Oh my god. He be eating. You guys excited?
Very excited.
Happy?
Yes.
Life-giving. Wow.
Wow.
Brayden, I heard that if you start singing out into the green, they'll come out to you. Like if you start singing, they'll like come over.
Why don't you do it?
No.
You do it. Sing.
It's, like the Little Mermaid.
Yeah, yeah. You gotta bring them over.
He's waving.
I know.
No zoom. A water feature.
Splash zone.
Yeah, I don't even know where we're going.
I like this tune.
Are there steps there? No. It's just about
Can I just say that this elevator cranes are good?
My tummy's hurting a little bit.
Zebra domes will fix it.
It's hard, must be not. That's kind of empty.
Is this right now? Yeah. I don't think so. They're probably
Here we go. I'm so excited. Where are they?
No, over here.
No, they're zebra cupcakes. Oh, they're over there. False alarm. False alarm. They're there?
They don't, I don't see them.
Oh my god.
Oh, they're sold out.
They're sold out.
Oh no, they did not know we were coming.
I just,
So no zebra domes, unfortunately. But
we're leaving. We're done.
yeah, vacation's over. No zebra domes.
It's a different noise. Yeah. Oh, no, I killed it. You killed the beat. You killed it.
I killed it. Are you gonna get? Oh, look how cute these are! Oh my god!
That is impossible.
Oh, it's not focusing. These are so cute. Oh my god!
Oh no, these are jawbreakers.
Yeah, none of that. Are you gonna get a stick?
Marshmallows.
Oh, thank God. They do have crackers.
They have oatmeal.
Frosted Flakes.
The two worst cereals ever, I guess.
No, Frosted Flakes is good.
Like,
Chunky.
To what? Like, maybe compared to Raisin Bran, that's it.
Good.
Oh, look at popcorn.
Z-Bar.
Oh my god.
Mega muffins.
Food.
Brayden, it's perfect for you. It's Nugget's backpack. What else? They have this one.
Probably fit in there.
Nugget gets a mini backpack. Oh, if we find the.
one.
Oh, I love that. If they have the Nuamos, I don't know how to say it properly, but like that is also the little mini clothing. So,
That looks nice.
It's really comfy.
that looks
You
like
missed
the
it.
one I have.
I've like mastered the fan.
What are you doing?
He's holding my fan.
This goddamn fan. I don't know why.
It's really comfy.
Right? Did you get one?
No. She said there's
Like I have to like go. Shit. We take
two over.
Is there a Disney?
I want to take stock now.
That would be awesome.
Oh, here we go. Ready.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. Let's see. I said that I wanted to be surprised with what I got.
Surprise.
Surprise! Nuggies! Yay!
These are probably the fries.
Alright, taste test Disney chicken.
Is it good?
It's good.
Oh, it's that. Sorry, no, there's only a pull down. Hello? All these lights are making me so thirsty.
Yeah, I'm done with you. Okay. I accidentally threw out my water cup and now everyone's making fun of me. But we're at the arcade.
Oh, you hit Taylor with it instead.
No, don't hit me. Stop it. What is this? Oh, it's a photo booth. It's pretty cool. Oh, look, they have the Guardians. Hey. They have Guardians pinball. Oh my god. So, got a card, and I'm just going to be playing Guardians pinball. So, I'm very excited.
Yeah, get into it. Oh, she's galaxying this up, Guardian. Ooh, hey. Yeah, that's a Galaxy Guardian. And you know it.
Be guarding.
The galaxy.
Oh.
Oh.
Her mouth again.
Oh, look at it. Oh, she sucks.
Let's see.
Oh, let's see. How many?
It's going again. Wait,
Oh, we go again.
I thought I got it stuck. Oh my god.
That would have been really embarrassing.
If you...
Oh my god, what the frick is happening? Hello? Okay, go girl. Go Guardian girl. Oh, God. This is...
Oh, it's just like going. Oh.
Oh, that's really funny.
Oh, okay.
All right.
I got game
Good
over.
job.
Oh my god. Freeze right here. Oh Lord.
This is what you need in life. Oh, you want to be a champion expert? Okay.
No, just do it. Yeah. This is giving Sugar Rush.
Oh, a little bit.
Yeah.
Awesome! Choose your rider!
Oh my god.
Okay, who are you gonna be?
Oh, she's a baddie.
Oh, she's in her baddie.
She's a baddie.
Yeah, she's in her baddie era.
Alright.
3, 2, 1, go!
Is it moving?
I feel like I'm going to die.
The whole thing is like moving.
Use your boost. Use your boost.
Yeah, boost, Spray, boost. Go faster. You're not going bowling, I guess. Wait, here, start game.
I did though. Just really don't want me to bowl.
Try it again. Maybe it just messed up.
No, it took the points. Wait.
Yeah, no. You have.
No, I had 30. I know I had 20 and it took the 10. It stole my...
So we have a 2-bedroom, but I feel awkward. We have a 2-bedroom, but only half of it is ready because it's one of those that's like a studio and a 1-bedroom, but the studio part is ready. So we're going. I'm very excited to like get ready and be able to do stuff. Ta-da! Oh, it smells so good. Okay, ready? This is our room tour for the studio side. So, here's the door. You walk in.
You greeted with a lovely mirror.
We have this mirror here. And then this is my
personal kitchen.
Yeah, this is mine and Mason's half sink. No, well, half kitchen. We got microwave,
Toaster.
coffee pot, sink.
Simba.
He's back there too. Got some cabinets up here. Got some things, paper plates, paper goods.
Then if you turn around,
So, and then this
you
is,
get the luxurious.
where's the light?
Beautiful.
Okay, well that's for that.
Oh, here. Wait, no,
Okay,
that's not
yeah,
right.
yeah.
Oh, here.
So,
You get the luxurious bath.
here's our vanity. Got all the H2Os here. That's where I'll be getting ready. And we have the little makeup mirror. This is gonna be nice and helpful when I do my makeup. Oh, 'cause I hit my camera. And then this is the room side. This is my bed. Mason's gonna get that. We got the tables.
It comes apart.
Oh wow, look at that. We got our little table and chairs. Okay. right, should we go outside? For our wonderful view of whatever got it?
Yeah, got it.
Dude, that's a lot easier. Okay, here we go. Oh my gosh, look!
Do not drop the camera.
I will not. Oh, look how... Right outside our room. That's cool. I actually wasn't expecting. I was ready to make fun of, like, the parking lot. Oh my god. Look at us together. I love this. So there we go. That's this studio. That's the studio room tour. Did you just trip? Okay, let's close the door. Close the door. That was our studio side room tour. Once the 1-bedroom side is ready, Brayden and I will do a room tour of that too. Alright, it's snack time. And I'm gonna try this new Celsius flavor. It's new to me, so I'm gonna try it. Raspberry acai Celsius taste test.
Where big name brands and exclusive retailers offer something new around every corner. So let's dive in and see why Disney Springs is
This is good.
to shop.
Bray, you wanna try?
First stop, Coca-Cola store.
Alright, we got ready, looking like people again. Full outfit details. I made a TikTok, so go look at my TikTok. We're heading to the buses now. We're gonna go to Disney Springs. I'm very excited. I want to go to the Pandora shop. That's what I really want for the Marvel Pandora. That's what I want to go. So heading to the bus at Disney Springs. So first stop is Pandora. We gotta go. I'm on a mission. The things I want are the Infinity Stone ring for this finger, because I lost my other ring that I wear on that finger. I want that. And then I want the charms, because I brought my Pandora bracelet to put the charms on. It's really disgusting and it really needs to be cleaned, but whatever. So we're heading there now on a mission. Here we go. Let's see. Bag secured. Well, part of the bag. I got the 3 charms that I wanted, but they were added the ring that I wanted. So I have to come back to get it, because I will be purchasing it. And if I have to order it online, like, so be it, but I really don't want to do that. So I didn't put them on my bracelet yet. I wanted to, but it was kind of like busy in there, so I was like, we'll just go. But yeah, now we'll see what we're going to do next. Okay, so we just went into World of Disney and that was like crazy. It was so busy. We're gonna figure out where to go next. It's pretty busy and I'm getting kind of hungry. I don't know if Mason is, so, but we shall see. Because I could go for some food. There's the Ghirardelli store. Maybe I'll get an ice cream cone later. That sounds delicious.
She's Billy there.
Oh my god, we saw her on TV. Oh wow. Yes. We found the Marvel store. Gonna go in. I'm making a penny. I want Loki. Let's see. I'm excited. Where does it come out? Hello? There it goes. My Loki penny! Yay! Alright, we have made it back to the resort. We just got off the bus. Disney Springs was so crowded. We were gonna eat there and everything, and I don't know, nothing was really like interesting us of something to eat. So everyone else hasn't eaten dinner yet, so we're gonna see. We could just hop along with them. If we end up doing the Mara again, I'm getting a bacon cheeseburger. I decided, because that sounds so good, but we shall see. Yeah, no, do it again. Get into it. All right. Yeah, break it down. Yeah. A wild Joby?
They have a lot to choose from, so scoot over.
Who we ran into?
Oh, hello. All right.
Room tour. 1 bedroom. Room tour. Here's the kitchen. Braden's in bed. Look at this. Period. Let's see. Doing a room tour. I wanna see. It's the bathroom. Look at this nice mirror. Got the tub. Oh, look at that. That's nice. Here's the room. We got some laundry going. Dad's watching the TV. Maybe I'll put a movie on. Oh my god. Should I watch Civil War, Ragnarok, The Guardians maybe? Infinity War. Those are all my favorites. But yeah, I really wanted to get Starbucks. I should have just gotten it. But yeah, this is mine and Mason's side. I already did. Me and Brayden did this. I have to unpack. But yeah. My sandals gave me such a bad blister. They hurt so bad. Like I would show it, but that's pretty freaking nasty. But yeah. What I wanted to make this clip to show what I got at Pandora because I just did a haul for TikTok, but I'll do it here too. You should really follow my TikTok if you are not following my TikTok. How many times can I freaking say TikTok? But I'm gonna be posting over there a lot too. So this is my little tiny box that I got from Pandora. And of course I had to get the Marvel charms. I'm literally so obsessed. I'm gonna put it on my one bracelet because I do have this one. It's really like dirty and nasty because it oxidized, but I have the little Grogu charm. I think I'm gonna take it off though and just make it like a Marvel thing. I really wanted, they also had the Infinity Gauntlet charm and they also had the Infinity Stones ring. And I really wanted the Infinity Stones ring. The laundry is done. The ring is what I like really wanted from the collection, but it was out of stock in my size. I think I'm between 2 sizes because I want it for my middle finger. I don't remember if I said it, but I used to wear 2 rings on this finger and then I lost the second ring. So I wanted to replace it with that, but they did not have my size. So I think we're gonna go back tomorrow and I'm just gonna see if maybe someone like returned it or if they got a shipment because I asked, but I don't think the girl like heard me because it was a bunch of people in there. It was pretty loud. So we'll see if they have it. Dinner! Oh my god.
Oh, cool.
Delicious.
Just bacon and cheese.
Sensational, off the best. Oh my god. Thank you. What did you get?
Chickpea salad sandwich.
That sounds good.
Yeah.
Chicken. Thank you. We got it, y'all. A zebra dome. All right, we ready? I freaking love these. I love them. They're so good. Okay.
Wowzers.
I really do love these. I could use these forever. I have to text a picture to Sydney. You know me. Cute the charms look. Love them.